Hello children, today this is our maths class, and in today's maths class we are going to learn about additions. Do you know what is addition? Yes, addition means joining two things together or combining two things together or putting two things together, like 1 and 1 makes 2. So joining or combining or putting things together is called addition. So students, do you know what is the sign of addition? Okay, first of all, let me tell you what is the sign of addition. This is the sign of, yes, addition. With this sign we do addition. Okay, so let's start with some examples of addition. Like students, I have this one sketch and my friend gave me one more sketch. So now how many sketches do I have? 1 and 1, 1, 2. How many sketches do I have? 2 sketches. Now my friend gave me one more sketch. And now tell me, how many sketches do I have? 1, 2, 3. So how many sketches do I have? 3 sketches. Now my friend gave me one more sketch. Now tell me, how many sketches do I have? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I have 4 sketches. Now my friend gave me one more sketch. Now let's see, how many sketches do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many sketches do I have? Yes, I have 5 sketches. Now I got one more sketch from my friend, and now let's count how many sketches do I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now I have 6 sketches. Now I got one more color, one more sketch. And now tell me, how many sketches do I have? 1, 2, 3, yes, count with me, 4, 5, 6 and 7. How many sketches do I have? I have 7 sketches. Now I got one more color. Now you will tell me, I am joining this color with them. Now how many colors do I have? Yes, I have already 7 colors and now I am adding one more. So now I have, yes, 8 sketches. Now I have 8 sketches. Let's count and see how many sketches do I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now you know I have 8 sketches. Now I got one more color from my friend. And now how many colors do I have? Here I have 8 sketches and now I am joining one more. Now how many colors do I have? How many sketches do I have? Any guesses? Yes. How we can know? First we will count the colors, then we will know how many colors do I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now you all know I have 9 colors. Very good. Now students, I have some pebbles here. I have 2 pebbles or 2 stones here, 1 and 2, and now I got 2 more stones from my garden. Now, how many stones do I have? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I have 4 stones. Now I go outside and I bring 2 more pebbles. Now how do we know that how many stones or how many pebbles do I have? Yes, we will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many stones do I have? 6 stones. Now I again go out and I bring 2 more stones. Now tell me, how many stones do I have? Yes, first I have 6 stones and then I bought 2 more stones. Now put 6 in your mind and count ahead. After 6, what we have? 7 and 8. So now I have 8 stones. And now let's see how many stones do I have. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and last one is 8. Now you know how we know how many stones do I have? Let's do it once again with the sketches. So students, here we have 3 colors. Let's count 1, 2 and 3. Now we got 2 more colors from my friend and we have to join them. We have to add them in these 3 colors. So how do we do? Yes, we put 3 in our mind. These 3 which we already have, we will put these 3 in our mind, and after 3 we will put 2 in our two fingers, because we have got 2 new colors, so we will put 2 in our finger, and after 3 we will count. And what comes after 3? Yes, 4 and then 5. So how many colors do we have? While joining all these, we have 5 colors. Now let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we got 3 more colors. Now we will put we put 5 in our mind, because we have 5 sketches. First let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have 5 sketches and we got 3 new sketches. How many sketches we got? 3 new sketches. Now we will put 5 in our mind, and how much we put in our finger? 3. 1, 2 and 3, because we have 3 new colors. 1, 2 and 3. So after 5 what comes? 6 and then 7 and then 8. So how many colors do we have? Total colors do we have? Let's count. Yes, we have 8 colors, but we have to count and clear it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We have 8 sketches, 8 colors. Okay. Now let's see one example with the stones. So students, here I got 4 stones. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we got 2 more stones. Okay, we have 4 stones. Let's count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we put 4 in our mind. And how many stones we got new are these 2. 1 and 2. So we put 2 in our finger. We already have 4 stones in our mind and 2 stones in our finger. So after 4, what comes? Yes, 5 and then 6. Very good. So how many stones do we have while joining all these together? Yes, we have 6 stones. Let's check and clear it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have total 6 stones. Now we got 3 more. Here we have already have 6 stones and we got 3 more stones. 1, 2 and 3. So we have already 6 stones here and we got 3 new stones. So we will put 6 in our mind because we have 6 stones already. So we will put 6 in our mind and 3 in our fingers. So after 6, what comes? Yes, 7, 8 and 9. So how many stones we have together? We have 9 stones. Let's check it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We have 9 stones together. So now I am going to give some examples in our notebook and let's see. Sign of addition. Now we have one question here like 4 plus 3. We have this question 4 plus 3. So what we will do? We will put 4 in our mind and 3 in our fingers. What we will do? We will put 4 in our mind and 3 in our fingers. And after 4, we start counting. After 4, 5, 6 and 7. So how many, what we got after 4? 5, 6 and 7. So after 4 we got 7 while adding 3. So 7. Now we have one more question here. We have 7 plus 2. So what we do? We will put 7 in our mind and 2 in our fingers. So after 7, what we have? 8 and then 9. So after 7, 8, 9. So what we got? The answer is 9. Let's see one more example. We have 3 plus 2. We put 3 in our mind and 2 in our fingers. And after 3, what comes? Yes, 4 and then 5. So what comes after 3? 4 and then 5. So the addition of these two numbers is 5. students, now I am going to give you some questions on addition and you have to do these questions on your notebook. Okay, bye, have a good day.